So hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are gonna show how we're gonna create some AI logo design with just completely free AI image generator. So guys, in this video I will introduce a new AI image generator which is completely free for everyone, and we are gonna create some amazing fashionable e-commerce logo design in this video. So guys, to create this type of logo, so you can go to Google and search for any type of logo. Guys, I just find these two logo and I need some similar types of logo design. Okay, so I have downloaded his logo from Google and I have just added a prompt ChatGPT like suggest me some logo prompt ideas for this logo design. The name of the company is Beauty Bag. So I'm gonna creating a e-commerce business, so I need a e-commerce type of logo design. So my company name is Beauty Bag. So I have added like suggest me some logo prompt ideas of this logo design. So you can go to Google and you can find the screenshot of any type of logo and place the logo in ChatGPT. Then you can ask him to like suggest me some logo prompt ideas of this logo design. The name of the company is Beauty Bag. So I have included the company name. Okay, so as you can see, ChatGPT just created me some logo design. Like here are some logo prompt ideas inspired by the design you shared. Okay, so guys, now we're gonna check one by one. So here it says minimalist face in a bag shorty. So all you have to do is just come here and just copy the prompt. So we'll one by one check all of the logos. So at first I'm gonna copy this, then just go to Google and search for PICLUMEN, PicLumen. Okay, so I have already created an account. So guys, PicLumen is right now the best AI image generator if I compare as Leonardo AI or Midjourney AI. But PicLumen is completely free and is creating some awesome AI images. So now in this video I will show you how you're gonna create some logo design with this AI images. Okay, so I have just copied this from like a modern minimalist logo of a golden shopping. So I'm gonna copy this one, just come to PicLumen, I'm gonna hit paste. Okay, so now we have to see our model. So here you can go. So I always use the latest model, so you can go for the PicLumen Art version 1, PicLumen Realistic, PicLumen Anime. So I always prefer the last version, PicLumen Art version 1. Okay, so I have selected the version. Now I'm gonna choose, I need two logo design and the size will be like let's see 3:4. Okay, so now we're gonna create the logo. Okay, so just hit enter. So guys, let's see how this AI image generator will create us some amazing logo design. As here you can see the prompt here. So guys, just look at the design. I have just added a prompt like a modern minimalist logo of a golden shopping bag, and it's just a golden shopping bag with a woman face silhouette subtly cut into a bag, elegant and feminine flat design, ideal for a luxury beauty brand called Beauty Bag. So I have already included my company name Beauty Bag, and here you can see it's already created me a logo with the name of Beauty Bag. Guys, this is really wonderful. Okay, so now we're gonna see some more logo design. Okay, so just come here. So here it says luxury beauty emblem. Okay, a luxury logo feature a gold tote bag icon with soft curves integrate with the silhouette of a stylish woman's profile, perfectly symmetry serif font of Beauty Bag, high-end cosmetic brand aesthetic. So guys, if you need some beauty type of logo, so you can go for this type of logo. This is really amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna copy the logo again. So now we're gonna check the luxury beauty emblem logo. Okay, so I'm gonna come here again, do the same thing like a luxury logo featuring a gold tote bag with the icon blah blah blah. So all of the function is good, so I'm gonna hit enter. So guys, let's see how it will create a luxury logo featuring a gold tote bag icon. So guys, I really like PicLumen because it's creating some awesome images. Guys, just look at the design. Oh my god, it's also suggests some image in the bottom, and this is really wonderful. Guys, you can get this type of logo design and you can upload this logo design to Pick or Trendy or Etsy. You can sell this type of logo design. This is really wonderful. Another one, it simply says Beauty Bag. There is a luxury richness in this logo. Guys, this is also good. I like this one. So now if you want to create something more similar like this one. Okay, so all you have to do, here you can see an option like remix. So you can create some more similar type of image with this remix option. Okay, so I'm gonna search hit the remix. Okay, so I have just hit the image. So now it will create some similar type of logo design of this. Okay, so I'm gonna hit enter. Guys, let's see. I hope this will create something more interesting according to this. So oh my god, guys, I have just added this remix, and then you can see the result. This is really wonderful. You don't need a graphic designer. Right now in 2025, AI image generator and AI just going, I don't know where we're gonna see the world in 2030. I don't know why, but this is really wonderful. So now we're gonna check some another logo, like elegant dual tone logo. Okay, dual tone logo with dark green with beige color, featuring a shopping bag with a face silhouette, clean and stylish line representing elegance, confidence and femininity of beauty black. So I'm gonna copy this one. So I need a logo design where a bag and here is a face of a girl. So what type of logo design you need? Just go to ChatGPT and give him something, some image or your thought. So ChatGPT will bring you some awesome ideas. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this one. I'm gonna come here and just paste it, like dual tone logo with dark green and beige colors, featuring a shopping bag with a face silhouette. So I need a girl face in the bag. Okay, so clean and stylish lines representing elegance, confidence and femininity for beauty bag. Okay, so I'm gonna hit enter. So guys, let's see how this will create some logo. So all you have to do is download this logo, go to Adobe Illustrator, and you can convert the image into vector. So it's really easy. You can go to YouTube to find out how you are gonna create an image to vector. Okay, guys, this is the reason, and I don't like that design. Cool, a vintage type of logo, like a dual tone of dark green, a big color. So this is the output. So here you can see there is a bag and there is a face on the back, and also my name. So this is really wonderful. Guys, as you know, ChatGPT also generating images, but I always prefer to use this AI image generator, which is really cool. So then now we are gonna go something new, like chic modern icon with script font. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this one, like a flat vector icon of a beauty shopping bag shaped like a woman face paired with. So guys, in all of the prompts, what is the common thing? I need a bag and a face on the back. So ChatGPT gave us the prompt all of like that. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this one, go here and just paste it here. So it says flat icon of a beauty shopping bag shaped like a woman face paired with modern calligraphy or elegant script font spelling beauty bag, perfect for branding, cosmetic and beauty accessories. So guys, this prompt is really wonderful. So I'm gonna see what this prompt will bring us. So I'm gonna hit enter. So guys, let's see. So you can generate unlimited of logo ideas from this AI image generator. Guys, just look at the design. Oh my god. So this is the logo prompt of this, like a flat vector icon of a beauty shopping bag shaped like a woman face, like as you can see, shaped like a woman face, paired with modern calligraphy, like this is a modern calligraphy, and elegant script font spelling beauty bag. Okay, this is elegant and perfect for branding, for cosmetic and beauty accessories. Guys, if your sisters or if your friends are going for the accessories and cosmetic type of company, then you can suggest my video to find the amazing type of logo design from this AI image generator. So now here you can see another one which is look almost like a egg, like a omelette egg. So guys, this one is also good, like it simply says beauty bag, and it's kind of show a brand logo. Okay, so this is the result. So you can go to ChatGPT and ask her to give you some proper prompt, what type of logo you are going to make. So now another one is beauty and fashion fusion. Okay, a creative logo that combines fusion and beauty. Shopping bag icon subtly shaped like a makeup brush or lipstick with a woman face silhouette incorporate inside for a chic brand name beauty bag. So this is type of bag where a bag and there is also some cosmetic brush. And so let's see how this will create some logo design for me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so just hit enter. I think this will create us something we still don't think what type of logo this will bring out. So a creative logo that combines fashion and beauty, shopping, big icons, only shaped like a blah blah blah. So let's see. I'm gonna hit enter. So let's see. So guys, you can use this AI image generator, which is completely free. You can go for it and use ChatGPT. Guys, this one is good, but okay, this one also good, like, but it looks more black and shadows. Okay, so I'm gonna go for this one again. I'm gonna copy that and I'm gonna let's see if now comes something good. Okay, so here you can see I have already created some more logo. Guys, this is the output. Like, it's not completely say the beauty bag and there is a face on the back. So I guess this was not what we are looking for, but you can get some ideas from here. Okay, so I'm gonna go for another one, like a classy feminine logo with a golden shopping bag. Okay, I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna come here and paste it, like a classy feminine logo. You can add your own prompt with it, don't worry. So I just using the complete prompt that ChatGPT gave us. So a classy feminine logo with a golden shopping bag featuring an abstract woman face silhouette, embossed or foil effect style, brand name, beauty bag. So all of them in the prompt I have included my company name. So let's see how this will create some logo. Guys, just look at the design. It's created some golden shopping bag featuring outside. Okay, guys, this is really good. If you are going for a brand, create a big brand of cosmetic business, so you can come here to PicLumen and create your logo design ideas. This is really great. Okay, so now we have some more prompts in here, like abstract and creative concept, like a symbolic iconic concept, like this one. Okay, a luxury inspired logo showing the silhouette of a goddess like figure holding an emergence for a shopping bag. Okay, so a girl now holding a shopping bag using elegant flowing lines and gold foil details, brand name, beauty bag. So guys, let's see how this will create us our logo. So I'm going to copy this one, go again, paste it here, and you can add your own filter, but I go for as it is. So let's see how it will create us a luxury inspired logo showing a silhouette of a goddess like a figure holding emerging from a shopping. So this is the output, guys. This is really great. I don't think any type of graphic designer, or if you go to Upwork or Fiverr, can create you some logo, cosmetic and branding logo more beautiful than this. Okay, this is really wonderful. You can go for any type of logo design. Okay, just all you have to do is go and just get the prompt, get the perfect prompt from your logo. You can go to Google, download a picture, download a logo design from all of the logos in the online. What type logo design you want, just go there, take a screenshot or image, or download the image and give it to ChatGPT and tell him that I need a logo similar like this and suggest me some prompt according to this logo. I think ChatGPT will guide you some awesome prompt. Okay, so let's see something new, like mirror and bag hybrid. Okay, with this one, like logo featuring a hand mirror subtle shape like a tote bag. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this one again, go here, paste here and hit it. So guys, you don't need a graphic designer. If you are going to create a business or something, so you need logo, just go to PicLumen and just ask him to create you some logo, so you can get some ideas what type of logo brand you need. No, not like this one. Okay, I'm gonna go for another one, like typography driven logo. Okay, so this logo is like a typography driven logo. Okay, so I'm gonna go here, copy here, paste it here. So we will still find some what type of amazing logo this AI image generator will create us. I will show you step by step. So this one is not good, this one is not good, so sometimes you will not get what you want. So this one is really great. So like it's a letter logo and it's don't mention my company name. Why the hell is that? So also good. Then this one is also good and it's also don't mention my company name. So guys, as you see, you can get logo ideas from these two AI tool, like one is ChatGPT, one is PicLumen. I have just what I have done, I have go to online, I have just downloaded these two images from online. Like I want this type of logo like a bag and a, so guys, this is absolutely easy. All you have to do, go to Google, search for what type of logo you want, collect the logo, come to ChatGPT, add the logo to ChatGPT and give him the prompt like, I like this type of logo, so suggest me some company name and you can add your own company name. So I think ChatGPT will guide you next how to create a proper logo. So now I'm gonna go something new, like a soft flowing handwritten logo that says beauty bag. Okay, it's completely ready, so I'm gonna go and just paste it here. So I have just pasted here. So let's see how it will create a soft flowing handwritten logo that says beauty bag, and with the B formatting a part. So I'm gonna creating a letter logo where the B is okay guys, just look at the design. It's just beauty bag and there is a girl face with like a headphone. It says estifying something, and the another one is this. So guys, this is the output of this prompt, like soft glowing handwritten logo. Oh yes, it's handwritten, that's why it's look like this. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. You can use PicLumen and ChatGPT just to create a logo design. You will get amazing ideas like what type of logo you are asking. If you are asking for a creative logo, professional logo, brand logo, cosmetic logo, I have just shown you how you can create some cosmetic and branding logo. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Go to ChatGPT and give him some prompt like what type of logo design you want. I think ChatGPT will guide you one of the best result. Okay, then you can come to PicLumen, so it will create you some amazing AI image generator. So as you can see, I have already created some more comic images for my YouTube project. So I always use PicLumen to create some amazing awesome AI images. So guys, as you can see, I have already created more and more AI images from this PicLumen, which is completely right now completely free. So use it to develop your skill, use it to create your AI images, use it to create your logo design. Thank you.